Good evening everyone, this is Donald Abraham, URK17041. Today I'm here to explain you something about operator overloading. So the question that is given to me is write a C++ program to create a class called string and implement the following operations. Display results after every operation by overloading the function operator this. So the string S1 is given to me as VTU, string S2 is given to me as Belcom. I have to add both the string S1 and S2 and produce the result in S3. So this is the program that I've done in this. So this program is first of all I've created a class string, then I've created an for string I've created a character array, and then I'm making the string constructor, string default constructor. Like default constructor is this, and this is a parameterized constructor. So now I'm overloading the operator this plus. So what I will do, I will just make the return type string, and the string I'm passing in to for adding. So we will make a default string of operand, and then I will use the library function strcat for joining both the strings, and then I will return the rest. So what will happen, I have to overload this operator this. So what I will do, I will in place of cout I've used x, so I will do x this s dot x. So this will display the output of my resulting string. So let's see, in the main function I have done declared and initialized the value of s1 as video, S2 as Belcom, and while outputting S1 and S2 I have done both things, and in S3 I have added them to S1 plus S2. So the result will be in S3. Let's see how it works. So S1 equal to V2, S2 is equal to Belcom, S1 plus S2 equal to V2 Belcom. So this was the following program that was given, and the next problem that I was given was write a C++ program to create a class called date, accept two valid dates in the form of dd, mm, and yy. Implement the following operations by overloading the operator plus and minus. After every operation, display the results of overloading the operator this one. So the operations that I have to do is number of days equal to d1 minus d2, and d2 is equal to d1 minus number of days. So d2 and d1 are the objects of the class date. So see how I have done this. So this is the program that I have done regarding that class date. I have inputted the value dd, mm, and yy. So double date number, and in void get number I will input the gate in the default constructor for like you know that every month. So for that particularly I have given 31, and for every odd month you have given 30, and then for February I have given for 28. So every in constructor I have initialized everything to 1. Okay? Then get date I have declared the function. Parent of stream I have overloading the operator this one, and then in double operator I am overloading the operator this one. So these are the following declarations that I am doing, and then get date. In get date I am entering the date, month, and year respectively, while if the year is not year divided by 4 is not equal to 0, or any of the conditions becomes false in this, then it will say invalid entry. So in so I have defined the function getNum here. M is equal to 1. I am inputting the values. If year is greater than um, if year is greater than 0, mod 4 is greater than 0, then date num will be equal to will be plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so plus 1. So while month is not equal to mm, so initially m was 1, and the month that I was inputting is mm. So now I will do the operations like this, and then I will add both the days. So in operator overloading, while overloading the operator this, I will have to choose out. So here will be out equal to d1 dot dd, and d1 dot mm, and d1 dot yy. Everything I will uh, display out here, and I will then return out. Okay. Then in the minus operator overloading, I will do just one line statement: return date num minus b dot date num. So it will subtract the values that I have passed into this. Okay. Then operator overloading this same thing, and file finding the date. If the date is greater than plus plus, if the date is a of mm is greater than mm, then mm will plus and dd equal to 1. Means if the date for the particular month is over, then the month will increase and the date will be initialized to 1. So now if the month is greater than 12 means the year is finished, so we will increase the year and then we will make the month as 1. So all the operations we will do like this, and this in main function I am making three objects d1, d2 and d3. d1 dot get data, d2 dot get data, and d3 I will do the following functions. So I will display all d1 d2 and then number of days I have to, in number of days d1 minus d2 I am doing, it will overload the operator this, and it will go up and do the following functions. In the number of days I will display number of days. Then in d2 I have done again d2 is equal to d1 minus number of days as per the question. So now the new date is d2, the updated date. So I will display the date also. Okay, let's see now how this works. So d is like 12, month 09, year 2018, and the second date that I have to give is 23, month 03, or let's take it 10 for more elaborations, and then 2018. Okay. So whenever I add, the difference between the two days is minus 41 because this date is 10th and this date is 9th. So if you minus both of them, there will be a negative difference of 41. And the new date that is occur is 12/9/2018. So if you will add this thing, then a new date will come. This is 12/9/2018. So this is the following one that I'm going to show you. Thank you for seeing my video. Please like, subscribe, and share and comment to this video. Thank you.